Hello everyone, welcome to this video. And today it's your boy Tubitus here. And today I'm gonna teach you how to do circles like this in Photoshop. So I did two videos about this like a year ago, and a lot of people liked it, so I thought I would make a third video. I know it's been a long time, but yeah. Anyways, so first of all, we're gonna be using the selection tool. Okay, so we're not gonna be using the square one or the rectangle one because obviously not. We're gonna click this, we're gonna hold the click, and we're gonna choose the elliptic one, so we can make ovals or whatever, right? Now, the way that we're gonna make a perfect circle, most of you probably already know. You just click shift, and there you go. Now, stick around because we're gonna make it more interesting. Okay. Now, there's two ways of doing this. You can hold shift, and it's gonna go from here and create a circle, or you can hold shift and alt at the same time, and that way it's gonna start from the center. You can do it like this. So in different situations you're gonna need a different approach. So just have that note in your brain, like you have two ways of doing it depending on the situation, right? So I'm just gonna create a circle and stop talking. There you go. Here we have our circle. Now, how do we make it look like this without the thing inside? Okay. Now we're gonna take this layer. I'm gonna duplicate the layer. Well, I'm gonna copy the layer or whatever, and then I'm gonna go here. Control T. The Control T is for transform, right? So we're gonna transform this. So here I wanna show you something, right? If I hold shift, it stays like a perfect circle, but it goes like this. If I hold shift and alt at the same time, it goes in like that, and the middle stays there. So I'm gonna change the color here just so you can see the difference. Right, so we're gonna Control T, we're gonna hold shift and alt, and there you go. We can do the border as thick as we want to. I'm gonna do it like this, right? So once it's there, we click enter. And now what we're gonna do, once we have this, what we want to do is we want to select the red part. We wanna make a selection of the red part, and then we wanna delete that from the original, right? So the way that we're gonna do this is by clicking Control, and then we click on top of this layer. So what this is gonna do is gonna create a selection, right? We can get rid of it. I already deleted the layer, doesn't matter. Well, I didn't delete it, it's here. But we can get rid of the layer. All that we want is the selection, right? So once we have this, we can go to the original one and click on delete. That's it, it's gone. Or we could also do like with the eraser or whatever, right? Doesn't matter. So there you go, you have your circle. And it's not just a circle with a white thing inside. It actually, like, okay, let's say that we had like this here. Oh, sorry. Let me create a new layer. Like, it's actually empty inside, right? Oh my gosh. It's the other way. There you go. So you can actually see, like, it's not just something with like the thing white inside, it's actually transparent. Whoa, crazy. So keep in mind, this is for beginners. So if you think this is stupid, I agree, but this is for beginners, okay? So that's your circle. Now you have one circle, you can copy it. You can have multiple circles, whatever, right? And you can resize them with Control T. You can rotate them. That's pretty useful. Probably gonna get a lot done with that. So yeah, that's it. That's pretty much all there is to it. I don't want to make this too long because it's already 4 minutes. This tutorial should have been like 30 seconds, but yeah, that's what's up. So hey, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something, and in my channel I have a lot more tutorials, so go check them out if you want to learn Photoshop and Flash, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, see you on the next ones. Bye.